Do you dream of growing your own vegetables but don't have a big backyard? The good news is, you don't need one. With container gardening, you can grow fresh, organic food anywhere, even in small spaces like balconies, rooftops, or patios. Today, I'll share the simple secrets to get started and make your mini garden thrive. 1. Choose the right vegetables. Not all plants grow well in small pots, but some do perfectly. Great choices include tomatoes, peppers, spinach, lettuce, radishes, and herbs like mint, basil, and coriander. These are easy to manage and give you quick results. 2. Select the right container. You don't need fancy pots. Plastic buckets, clay pots, or even recycled containers work fine. Just make sure your container is at least 10 to 12 inches deep and has drainage holes at the bottom so excess water can escape. 3. Use a good soil mix. Garden soil alone isn't enough. The secret is a lightweight potting mix made from garden soil, compost, and a little sand or cocoa peat. This ensures your plants get nutrients while staying well-drained and healthy. 4. Watering and sunlight tips. Container plants dry out faster than ground plants, so check soil moisture daily. Water when the top inch feels dry, but don't overwater. Roots can rot. Place your containers where they get at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight every day. 5. Small hacks for bigger harvests. To maximize growth, group containers together to create a mini microclimate. Use vertical space, hang pots or add shelves, and remember to add compost or liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks for a steady supply of nutrients. As you can see, container gardening is simple, affordable, and incredibly rewarding. Even if you only have a small balcony, you can still enjoy homegrown food right at your doorstep. So start small, stay consistent, and soon you'll be harvesting your own fresh vegetables. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to DIY Farms, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more simple gardening tips.